Hey, what's going on, everybody? Listen, I know it's been a while, but we are back on the content. So today we are at the fish wholesaler. We're going to be picking up some plants for somebody that you probably all know, and if you don't, well, I'm talking about Brenton.
But the only one that came to my mind was I'm gonna eat Tyler. Yeah.
So I have a surprise for him today. He's building a new pond. I'm sure you've seen that on his channel, but while the fish are in their current habitat, we need to go ahead and put something together for these fish to be happier, because we do know Brenton is a terrible fish keeper. So let's go ahead and kind of liven this up for him a little bit, okay? With that, let's go ahead and get in here and see what we're gonna pick up. Oh yeah, I got a new car. This is my new Jeep. So the green one's gone and this is the new blue one. I need to name it. I mean, I know it's not a fish and you guys usually name the fish, but look, you wanna name it? Drop some names in the comments below. So I'm here at Brenton's and we are gonna be, well, surprising him with some plants. And he doesn't realize it yet, but the plants are already here. I broke into his house earlier and left them because his house is just so secure. As you can see, like I literally could come in here and just steal all the fish. That's what I should do. Should just steal all the fish right now.
Our arowana passed away. Actually, I'm not surprised everything hasn't passed away, to be honest with you.
Did it pass away or did you murder it?
No, I didn't cook this one.
Okay.
And the other one, he got himself cooked, okay? The arowana got a fungal infection, which we tried to treat it. It is what it is. The other fish have ick. Treating it.
It's just a mess.
We'll find out what happens.
Just to clarify, let's rewind for just a moment. Because we do know Brenton is a terrible fish keeper. I'm sure you're probably wondering why I'm over here, but I broke in earlier while you were gone.
What'd you steal?
I didn't steal. Actually, I brought something. I left you something.
Oh, really?
I did, yeah. Look, right here on the treadmill. There's a
Oh,
box.
I didn't even notice. It looked like it was just supposed to be there.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it a fish?
It's some goodies for the fish. No, it's not a fish.
Oh,
it's not.
food?
It's not. It's actually going to prepare you for this.
That needs a lot of preparing, actually.
It's red. What happened to it?
No. Alright, okay. So that is the pre-water sealer, and then now the actual water sealer goes over that. So that'll be...
Oh, so it won't be red.
No, it'll be baby blue.
Oh.
Unless you want it red. I can keep it red.
What do you think, Jay?
You don't like it?
No.
You don't like the red?
I hate the red.
Me too.
It looks dumb.
I got you some really cool stuff. They had some new stuff in stock. So
The water?
there's water in there, yeah.
Huh.
Speaking of red, I brought something you will need, and it's red. That's gonna go with it. For anybody that's wondering, that's a spool of thread.
You bought me...
Red thread.
Why?
We'll see.
I'm very interested now.
What?
Yeah.
How would I have red?
You might want to. Oh.
Oh, thank you. Oh! For this?
Yeah.
That'll be sick, yes!
Right?
Thank you! That'll be awesome! You got a lot! That's a lot of plants! Bet! Oh my gosh, that's actually really cool.
This stuff right here is new. They've never carried this before. And this is highly illegal everywhere except for Texas. It's called parrot's feather.
It makes more sense if it was illegal in Texas.
It was.
But
In fact, open that up real quick and grab one of those stems out. They're like bunched together. And I'll show you how this stuff works. This stuff is probably the coolest stuff.
this is sick. This is really cool. I wanted plants like super bad.
Yeah, just grab one of those bunches out and just drop that right there in the water.
Bro, look at that. It's like a fern.
It floats. Like this stuff right here will like perk up and then the roots just stay under the water. So you'll have like a whole
Wait, you can just leave it like this?
Just like that.
That's dope.
That's sick. So you could be looking at the window and see
And
the
it's
roots
just like-
and everything.
Yeah.
That is really cool. Thank you. Yes,
So
thank you.
we got a
very
lot of that. This
Can
is
I dump
parrot's
this
feather.
in?
Yeah, you can dump it.
much. Really?
Yeah. And
Whoa.
Hopefully it survives.
Bro,
So-
oh, that's super cool.
when this stuff like gets back to normal, it'll like perk up and then
Bro.
it'll start flowering little flowers on it.
That is a gluck right there.
Yeah.
That's a gluck.
So we have that, and then the rest of the stuff. Figure we can take that piece of wood right there,
Yeah.
and that's where the thread comes in.
Oh, we're
gonna
tying it to the
attach
wood.
it to it, so you can just pick that piece of wood up and put it in there right in the middle.
And then put this baby, put the baby mama in there, and then all the little mamas are gonna be off
like
of it.
off of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so like by tomorrow, this stuff will just be perked up and it'll be just sticking straight up out of the water, and all those little fern leaves will be sticking out.
It's like a bunch of little.
Oh God.
What?
Doesn't it not remind you that the way it the curvature?
How do you
not
do
that
this?
I have curvature, but they have curvature. Well, let's get the other ones where they need to be. Are we tying them on now?
If you want.
Yeah.
The masterpiece is done.
Wow.
Doesn't look great yet, but that's the purpose. Wow. Now we have to put it in the water.
Put that
Ready?
Mama in.
Oh, the plants look delicious.
No, they honestly look really, really good. I think when it'll shine is when they're in this big pond. Because you can look through the glass window and see them all.
And that's the point. We're going to add some more too. Once we get it into that pond.
Should be watering it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, should be. I've said that like 7 times.
I was going to say.
Yeah. And it hasn't happened. Or it has happened and then it went back out. So.
That's okay.
But thank you. Yeah, that was clutch. That'll look super, super cool.
It will look so good.
It'll give it that Amazon jungle look.
No, but seriously, we're going to put some more plants in here. And then I have another surprise for you.
Really?
Yeah.
More plants?
Not for this video though.
Oh, bigger video?
It's going to be a bigger video. It is by far it'll compete with Schmeat in size.
It's alive?
It's alive. I got it just for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to know this now. When can this video happen? Can it happen today?
No, it's going to happen tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Don't be disappointed.
Yeah, I'm ready for that. I want to see what that is. Yes.
That's going to be a great one for
Okay,
sure.
sick.
So, well, I'm glad you like the plants. I think that we should probably start filming more together.
Yeah,
I'm
here.
I miss you.
I miss more than just you. I'm sorry.
Recently, I partnered up with my friends over at Dallas North Aquarium to rescue some fish. I'm not really sure of the situation and I'm not going to go into details of it, but I was given a call and asked to come pick up 4 extremely massive river monsters. Unfortunately, one of them didn't make it during transport. We'll talk about that in the next video. But if you're wondering what Brenton's getting surprised with, it is one of these fish. And this will be by far his biggest, most massive river monster that exists in his collection. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you stay tuned because we will be surprising him with this fish very soon.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna